Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. The purpose of this video is to help prep a hardware swap on a Windows 11 machine if you have BitLocker enabled on your device. What happens is if you have BitLocker enabled and you try to do a hardware swap like a graphics card upgrade or any hardware change on your computer, you will be prompted to enter your BitLocker password and it would enter into recovery mode. To prevent that, you want to disable the BitLocker temporarily, then do your hardware swap, either change your graphic card. Then on reboot, you could log in normally, update your drivers, then re-enable it. So again, this is just a reference video on how to do that. Before you actually shut down your machine, you want to open a command prompt with administrator rights. We could type in manage-bde minus status to check the status. My drive is encrypted. Then you want to run the disable command. I misspelled it here. It's just disable. Key protectors are disabled for this volume. Go ahead and shut down your computer. Once you restart it, you should be able to log back in, install drivers, and then run this command to enable your BitLocker drive again. Now it says key protectors are enabled for volume C or your C drive. This is just a reference video. Again, for those that are doing a hardware change on their Windows 11 machine that has BitLocker enabled, and you don't want to enter your BitLocker key or go look for that. Again, thanks for watching. If you have any other additional questions, these are the commands. I have them in the description below. Any questions, just leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.